ever wondered why a football moves faster when you kick it harder, or why a truck is harder to push than a bicycle? Today, I'm going to explain Newton's second law of motion in the simplest way possible. Newton's second law of motion states that the acceleration of a body is directly proportional to the force applied and inversely proportional to its mass. The acceleration of a body is directly proportional to the force applied and inversely proportional, just write it here, to its mass. Alright, so don't let that big grammar scare you. This simply means that the more force you apply, the faster it accelerates. The heavier the object, that is when there is more mass, the slower it accelerates. Let me repeat. This law simply means that the more force you apply, the faster it accelerates. The heavier the object, that is when there is more mass, the slower it accelerates. Mathematically, we write it as F equals ma, where F equals to force, m equals to mass, and a is acceleration. Let me just quickly write it down. F equals to force, m equals mass, and a equals acceleration. So let's take a very simple example. If you push a small ball and a heavy box with the same force, the ball will move faster, the box will move slower because it has more mass. Now let's calculate something quickly. If a force of 10 newtons is applied to a body of mass 2 kg, what is the acceleration? Now, using the formula F equals to ma, A equals to F all over m. A the subject of the formula because we're looking for acceleration. We'll make A the subject of the formula, and then you get A equals to F over M. Now we have our F as 10, a force of 10 newtons according to the question. We have our M as 2. So our A equals to 10 all over 2, which equals 5. So that means our acceleration is 5 meters per second square. 5 meters per second square. Per second square. So let's just have a quick summary. More force means more acceleration, more mass means less acceleration, and the formula is F equals to ma. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you still have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll reply.